this is the kind of zero-sum game that we want, where like for some people who are in transformational coaching, the deliverable could be a daily practice. Because you can ask yourself, did you do the daily practice or not? Yes or no, zero-sum game. Now, if it was like, do you feel empowered today? That's an arbitrary, subjective thing. So whenever people are doing programs, we want them to have a plan, a digital product, a daily practice, some sort of roadmap. Now you get to tie that plan in with the specific result that they're going to get. Is it a daily practice so that they can do XYZ thing? Because when we start to get specific, the ability for the ideal client to understand what you're doing, what they're going to achieve, it makes it very easy for them to make a purchasing decision. We only speak about benefits and we only speak about an arbitrary result, then they're going to be like, I am excited about this. I like her energy. I like the fact that I'm going to be learning some skills, but I don't really know what I'm really getting here.